Welcome to Vexels. In this video, we'll show you how to effectively search for designs in our extensive stock library. When searching for something specific, it's best to enter a niche followed by the product type. For example, if you're looking for dog-themed t-shirt designs, simply type dog t-shirt into the search bar. If you don't have a specific product in mind, you can just search for the niche. This will give you a broader range of options to choose from. Need to filter the format? No problem. Click on the button next to the search bar to filter designs by PSD, vector, or PNG formats. Once you've completed your search, you'll find another button on the right that allows you to sort the results by the latest designs or the most relevant ones, which are the best match for your search. And if you're just browsing and not looking for anything specific, you can click on the Hey Design Library option in the top menu. Here, you'll find a wide variety of designs, including our latest releases, trending designs, tote bags, posters, and many other categories. That's it. You're now ready to explore our vast collection of designs.